Herself and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been...
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ignore the ring light. As you know, today is always our day out and looking for new gems. So we have researched and got a hotel. It's called Olarro Hotel. So we're waiting for our Uber, and I am so happy for the love you're showing me in my videos, and I'm so grateful. So if you're new here, hi, welcome to this YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so grateful to have you. And my name is Betty Mwen. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's go to Olarro.
Her dad only visits once a month since she got...
Olarro Hotel is a thrilling facility located on the edges of the Nairobi National Park. That is, if you have ever been to the Nairobi National Park, this is somewhere near Nairobi National Park, and I'm 100% sure you will love this place. It's like 20 to 25 minutes from Rongai town, and Rongai town is like 30 to 35 minutes from town. So it's like, let's say, an hour from town to Olarro. Ikienda sana an hour, but I think it's like 45 minutes. Yeah, let's say 45 minutes, 45 minutes. And I loved the place. And I realized that on your way to Olarro Hotel by Smith, it's called Olarro Hotel by Smith, we have so many gems which I'm looking forward to visit.
Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told.
They have both indoor and outdoor setup, which gives a very relaxed feeling. This is part of the outdoor setup.
People don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told. People don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be.
So as I keep on telling you, I always make sure that I include menus in my my videos, because so many people are looking, when you are researching to go to a place, you always look for the menu. And I can say that the things are not that expensive. They are very affordable. This is the menu. So guys, we are at Olarro. I don't want to talk much because this place looks so cool. It's so beautiful, because I didn't know we have so many hidden gems. And for the first time, we have different things to order, because obviously sikujangi peke yangu. Say hi, babe.
Hi guys.
This is the only angle we can actually record a video. So wait, babe. For the first time, we don't have anything in common to order, because tumekuja hapa kila mtu na aim yake tutakula tutapata. So he just wants a glass of wine, and I have gone for chips masala. That is the only thing I feel I want right now, because I'm not feeling that good, and I think that is the only thing I can consume for now. So watch it when I hope the services are not so good, because they're not that fast, because tumeka hapa for like, is it 20 minutes?
They're not cooperative.
for like 20 minutes before wakuja watupe order, but the good thing is the head maid, oh, she's coming.
People don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told. People don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told.
I really loved their packaging, their ketchup, their chili sauce, and they also have tomato sauce, which I really loved. The packages look so amazing. Another thing is they're saying that it's done by hand. Oh, this is nice. And I can surely say that their ketchup, their tomato sauce is good. That is good. It's very good.
Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told. Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told. Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told.
So this is the swimming pool, and swimming is 350 bob per person in here. So when I say that they have indoor and outdoor setup, this is the indoor setup, but for content creators, this is too dark. So we opted for an outdoor setup. So they have another outdoor setup. This is an outdoor setup for me, but I don't think so many people sit here because the gate is just up there. So it actually looks good. It looks good for me, and I love it.
Don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told.